Kia ora koutou katoa. Welcome to our final community update for 2023. My name is Kelly, and I'm part of the Whaikaha team. I have short hair, a moko kowai, I'm wearing a green dress, and a pounamu, he matau, which is the fish hook, as well as this video in NZSL with captions available. Over on our website, we have a transcript and alternate formats. There is also a written version of this update, which has links to more information for all the things we cover. In this update, there's a message from our Chief Executive, Paula Message, as well as information about what we have been working on at Whaikaha. So first up, here's Paula's message. As more and more Christmas decorations and songs appear in stores, and the weather starts to get warmer, we're constantly reminded the year is about to wrap up. What a year it's been. I've been proud to see how our community has continued to unite and support one another through extreme weather events, impacts from the increased cost of living, and times of uncertainty across the globe. "2023 has continued to be a year of establishment and growth for Whaikaha. I'm feeling confident that with the team we're building, we'll be able to achieve our ambitious mandate and contribute towards creating an accessible Aotearoa New Zealand. We've also focused on strengthening our relationships with the disability community, whānau and providers, to enable us to work together in partnership to improve outcomes for disabled people and their whānau. This year I've been hosted by members of our community from Northland to communities across the South Island, hearing what's working for them and how they're incorporating enabling good lives vision and principles into their mahi, along with the challenges they are currently facing. I look forward to continuing to build on the relationships that Whaikaha has developed over the past 18 months, along with forming new ones. I would like to thank you all for your continued engagement with Whaikaha throughout 2023. Each piece of feedback, encouragement, and suggestion on how we can continue to work together to improve outcomes for disabled people and their whānau has all been greatly appreciated. I hope you continue to engage with us, join us in celebrating successes, and hold us accountable when it's needed. However you celebrate or acknowledge this time of year, I hope you find some time for yourself, time to reconnect with those close to you and plan for the year ahead. I look forward to talking with you all again in the new year and continuing the mahi that lies ahead. And now, let's get into our updates on the work Whaikaha has been doing. Our first annual report is now available and provides information on the services, activities, and achievements of Whaikaha for the period 1st of July 2022 to 30th June 2023. You can view the annual report, executive summary, and alternate formats on our website. The My Home, My Choice program focuses on work needed to transform the way people in residential services are assisted, so they have more choice and control in their lives. The program is on track and in the engagement phase, and we're committed to working alongside disabled people, tangata Whaikaha Māori, family and whānau to ensure their voices and experiences guide the change. In late October and early November, we ran engagement sessions for disabled people, tangata Whaikaha Māori, Pacific people, whānau, family and providers. Our learnings from these engagements will be used to inform the design of the My Home, My Choice program. We will share more opportunities to be involved soon. In the meantime, find out more information on our website. We recently welcomed the findings of a report we commissioned into the processes and practices for managing complaints about the delivery of disability support services by IDEA Services. We will be working with IDEA Services and the community to strengthen processes and practices for managing complaints. The Disability Action Plan is currently being reviewed, and a 2024 to 2028 plan will be developed to deliver the 8 outcomes in the disability strategy. If you would like to have a say about what actions government agencies could include in the new Disability Action Plan, email your name and contact details to the email address below, and put Disability Action Plan in the subject line. Now let's move on to an update on partnerships. Lots of work has been happening in this area. Working in partnership is what makes Whaikaha different from other government agencies. We want to make sure disabled people, tangata Whaikaha Māori, and whānau can have their say on how we advise government, design services, and work with other agencies to make sure disability perspectives and needs are built into their policies and services. An initial set of partnership structures has been put in place, and a number of groups have already met for the first time or will meet before the end of the year. Here's an overview of the groups. The Insights Alliance oversees the monitoring and evaluation of the Enabling Good Lives system transformation, and the implementation of the monitoring, evaluation, analysis and learning MEAL framework. The advisory group to review the eligibility for disability support services has a specific focus on people who are underserved or not able to access support services. Their experience informs the advice Whaikaha will provide to government. Strategic Advisory Group provides strategic advice on major work items, including policy work, strategic intentions, cabinet papers, and the impact of change on the lives of disabled people. Transformation Management Board provides governance over a defined transformation work program and advice to support the implementation of transformation initiatives. In the new year, we'll be focusing on how we engage and partner with young disabled people, older disabled people, and whānau. We will also be sharing opportunities for the community to get involved. We know the community is interested in the government response to the recommendations from the United Nations Committee on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Whaikaha has been leading the coordination of this response. To inform the next steps in the government response, we will keep working with other agencies on their implementation plans. We will keep people updated as this work develops. Whaikaha provides support through the NZSL office for the NZSL board and monitors the New Zealand Sign Language Strategy 2018 to 2023. The team has been busy supporting the NZSL board with their meetings, allocating community grants, consulting on interpreter standards, and starting work on the next New Zealand Sign Language Strategy. If you want to keep up to date with the NZSL board, check out their Facebook page by searching NZSL board. Are you interested in working at Whaikaha? Over the Christmas break, we'll continue to advertise a small number of positions as we look for people to join our team and shape the future of disability services in New Zealand. Our recruitment will be back in full swing from mid-January 2024. We welcome applications from disabled people or those who have lived experience of disability through whānau or community involvement. You can always find any vacancies under the Work With Us tab on our website. We'll aim to have our next community update in early 2024. If you have feedback for us, check out the Contact Us section of our website for ways to get in touch. Wishing you all a safe and happy festive season. Mā te wā.